Assalamualaikum students, how are you? This is Sonia Rafiq from English with Fatima. So students, I know obviously you are here to level up your English speaking skills. किस तरह आप अपनी speaking skills को improve कर सकते हैं, वो कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो English बोलने के लिए important हैं. So students, that's what I've got today. I am gonna share a crucial step in your English learning journey. Yes, storytelling skill. Trust me, students, without this, you will keep getting stuck in English. अगर आपको स्टोरी टेलिंग नहीं आती ना तो आप कभी भी पास्ट इवेंट्स को इंसिडेंट्स को अपने पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस को अपनी मेमोरीज को इंग्लिश में एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाएंगे एंड इट्स रियली इम्पोर्टेंट टू मास्टर दिस स्किल so that you could speak English fluently and smoothly without getting stuck anywhere. And don't worry, this video is gonna be super simple because I'll share four main pillars of storytelling. यानी storytelling के लिए वो कौन से four main pillars हैं जिनका जानना आपके लिए ज़रूरी है. Likewise, I'll also give you a quick formula, some pro tips, bonus expressions, and last but not the least, how can you practice? Yes, your assignment. So, if you want to upgrade your speaking skills and want to express your past events clearly and effectively, then stick around. All right, before diving into the details, students, let me clear I am going to keep this video super simple. बहुत easy way में और easy structure को follow करते हुए we are gonna master this skill. Okay, and once you master this skill, you can turn any experience into an interesting story. Yes, you can use this for all events, past experiences, memories, and incidents. So, by the end of this video, you will be able to narrate any story confidently. Okay, let me tell you, students, I will also attach the PDF of this universal storytelling template in the description box. Just download it, get a printout of it, and start describing stories, your past events, or incidents, or memories using this template. Before we begin, here is an important announcement that English with Fatima is now launching its official spoken English programs. And the best part is enrollments are open for one-on-one sessions as well. So if you want to learn directly from me, अगर आप directly मुझसे learn करना चाहते हैं, individually classes लेना चाहते हैं, then simply contact at this number for course details. I guarantee that after attending these classes, you will see a big difference in your English. Anyways, coming back to the topic. So, first thing first, what are the four main pillars of storytelling? Storytelling के लिए four main pillars हैं. First of all, try to memorize these pillars. Understand and memorize them. Students, every story has four main pillars. हर story के four main pillars होते हैं. Even अगर एक भी उनमें से missing है, story feels incomplete. Let's learn them one by one. First pillar is hook. Yes. Students, hook means that you have to start your story with something that makes the listener curious. Yes. Actually, you have to grab the attention of your audience right from the start. You have to keep them engaged. This is your story hook, that you start with something that makes them curious, right? How can you do this? I am going to walk you through this step by step. All right? So just hang tight, don't go anywhere and stay with me. Next pillar is setting and character. What does this mean? Students, you have to answer these questions. When, where, who? Like, what was the time? What was the place? Who was involved? Like, tell about people who were involved. So आपको टाइम प्लेस और जो लोग इन्वॉल्व थे उनके बारे में बताना है. Why to give a background? Okay, so what did you do? First of all, you grabbed the attention of your audience. Then You created a background using when, where, who. And now the third pillar is sequence of events. What does this mean? Students, you have to tell your story step by step. Actually, this is the main body of your story. Like what happened first, then, later, next, afterwards, suddenly, finally. Okay? You have to go step by step. Stay organized. Last pillar is conclusion or reflection. You have to conclude your story and tell what actually you learned. So, at the end, share what you felt or learned to leave a strong impact, right? So, these were four main pillars. Before we dive into the details, here is a quick formula for practice. So, just follow this formula and practice, okay? Hook, setting, character, sequence, emotion, reflection. Memorize this. Hook, setting, character, sequence, emotion, reflection. इस क्विक फार्मूले को मेमोराइज कर लें, रट लें. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको ये फार्मूला याद रहता है और आप इस फार्मूले को यूज़ करके काफ़ी सारी स्टोरीज़ की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली विदाउट प्रैक्टिस यू आर नॉट गोना लर्न एनीथिंग. सो डेली कोशिश करें एक स्टोरी की प्रैक्टिस करें इसी फार्मूले को यूज़ करके. And trust me, students, once you master this formula, once you master this technique, you can share, you can describe any experience, any past experience, any past memory or incident, right? Now, before we break it down or jumping into the details, students, here are some quick tips. Yes, as I told you earlier, you are gonna get a lot out of this video. इस वीडियो में आपके लिए बहुत कुछ है to master this skill. So first of all, I shared four main pillars of storytelling. Then I told you a quick formula to practice this, and now I'm gonna share some quick tips. So always remember, whenever you describe any story, always use past tenses consistently. Simple past, past continuous, past perfect. Most of the time you use simple past. ज़्यादातर हम simple past tense use करते हैं. Students, I have seen a lot of students, whenever they describe any story, they keep mixing tenses. हाई लेवल के स्टूडेंट्स, एडवांस लेवल के स्टूडेंट्स भी मैंने देखे हैं, जब भी वो स्टोरी बताते हैं ना, तो वो टेंसेस को मिक्स कर देते हैं, लाइक एक खिचड़ी पक जाती है. जस्ट स्टॉप इट एंड ट्राई टू यूज पास्ट टेंसेस कंसिस्टेंटली. You can use simple past, past continuous, past perfect. Most of the time 90% आप simple past tense ही use करते हैं. Then try to add small details like what was the weather, color, surrounding. Try to explain surroundings. Okay, if you are a beginner, अगर आप beginner हैं तो हमेशा story या past events को express करते हुए बताते हुए always remember you have to use short sentences. अभी आप बिगनर हैं, शॉर्ट सेंटेंसेस को यूज़ करें, ठीक है? इस तरह आप ज़्यादा क्लियरली स्टोरी बता सकते हैं. डोंट यूज़ लॉन्ग सेंटेंसेस, ओके? But yes, if you are an advanced learner, then you can use, you can mix short and long sentences. Okay. Another important thing, while describing the story, try to use adverbs of frequency, time words. One day, last year. Try to tell your events in order. तरतीब से हर चीज़ बताएं. First, then, later, right? Try to use these linking words to connect your ideas. Show your feelings, like um, how did you feel? You were excited, nervous, or shocked. And if something happened during that event, do mention it, okay? Add a small problem or twist. And with a lesson. Don't forget to conclude your story. So these were some quick tips. Now we are going to break it down. So students, चूँकि वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी हो रही है, so I'll stop here, ठीक है? मैं यहाँ इस वीडियो को यहीं पर स्टॉप करूँगी. But don't forget to watch the next part, because उस part में मैं most important thing यानी universal storytelling template शेयर करूँगी, जिसके थ्रू you can create thousands of stories yourself. खुद से आप हर तरह के पास्ट इवेंट को, इंसिडेंट को, पास्ट मेमोरीज को स्टोरी फॉर्म में इंग्लिश में डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं. So to watch that video, to watch that part, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, do subscribe to our channel for more updated